Okay, I'm going to cover a round headlight conversion in this video. First thing you need to do obviously is get a round headlight grill, and it needs to be complete: markers, headlights, the grill itself, and the wiring. Okay, in order to remove this grill, you need to remove all of the screws out of the top of it. And when you're doing that, keep in mind there are these little plastic grommets that are actually snapped into the radiator support. You're going to need to get all those in order to mount this onto your later model Trooper. Once those screws are all out, on the back side of the radiator support, there's a pair of Phillips screws on each side. There will be one back in here behind the battery, and on the driver's side underneath where your coolant overflow bottle goes.
There we go. Is it all loose?
Okay, once you've got the grill out, the park lights, you're going to need to get the pigtail from the wiring loom on the truck in order to be able to make this conversion onto your later model. And the headlights are just held in with 2 screws. One at about 2 o'clock and one at about 8 o'clock. Okay, so on the wiring loom itself, this will be the plug that plugs into the headlight. This is the plug that plugs into the marker light. You'll need to clip those and take both of those with you in order to make that conversion. Pop out all the little plastic clips that hold your grill in. Don't pop the bitch out into the grass where you can't. Okay, we're going to strip down the leads on the headlight plugs, and we're going to just install standard wafer butt connectors on that. Okay, in order to make an adapter plug that'll work on the marker lights, you take a standard butt plug. Just cut it like that, and you're going to end up with a wafer plug that's half as thin. Now, if you've got these things available to you on the commercial market, have at it, brother. That's the way to do it. But if you live in the woods like we do, okay, and then we'll just fit these little modified butt plugs, wire connectors, onto the turn signal pigtail. Okay, sometimes you'll get a grill that's got some damage to it, and my preferred method is just a plastic welded up. I'm recreating the tabs on this grill right here, and there's just one small crack on the face of it that I'll be fixing. Okay, now the way that these headlights wire up to the later design plug is they just go straight across. You've got a red and white wire here. You just track it up to the red and white wire. Being on the right side, plugs directly into the plug on the right side of the later design headlight plug. We've got the round headlight pigtail plugged in, and we're just going to wrap this in electrical tape here to create a seal. That'll be done. So we've just got the whole thing enclosed, protect it from moisture or touching ground. Then just reinstall the headlight. Okay, so your completed turn signal wire pigtail will end up with 2 of these modified spade connectors, and then a bare wire that we're going to attach with a blue connector. We're just putting the screws in the back side of the grill over here behind the battery box. And, we've gone ahead and pulled out the windshield washer bottle and battery in order to make some room. We've got to do some wiring up in here anyway, so it's just going to make that a little easier on us. Okay, so plugging the round headlight turn signal in, you've got your wire connectors out here on the end, and you'll notice that the wires on your marker light on your later model Trooper wiring loom has the black ground and the green with the red stripe wire, and you just plug those in accordingly. You plug your little homemade butt plugs in like that, and then we'll tape that up. Now this one right here is separate, and I haven't figured out a way to make a really good plug to go on here, so what we're going to do is we're just going to join these 2 wires with one of your blue wire connectors. Alright, so we've got all the plugs plugged in and taped up. Got headlights, high beams. Yep. We got lower park light, upper park light, turn signal. Yep, we got turn signal with headlight on the other side, high beam. We got lower running light, upper running light, and the right turn signal. There we go. It's a round headlight grille setup.